Hey guys, what's going on? And welcome to Scrapie's Techware. On today's video, we'll show you how to create your own flexible LED strip lights, also called as these and used for these. So let's get started. Before we begin, here are the things that we need. You may check out the description below for the links of the materials used. The T1315 Silica Gel Neon Rope Tube or the T1018 Silica Gel Neon Rope Tube. On this video, we'll be using the T1315 Silica Gel Neon Rope Tube. A removable IP67 weatherproof casing RGB LED, silicone sealant and caulking gun, soldering iron, set of pliers for stripping and crimping, box cutter, scissors, electrical tape, soldering iron lead, RGB connector, preferably 3-pin. Later on this video, we'll show you how we will align the 4-pin RGB connector by modifying it to a 3-pin connector. And lastly, a cutting board. The first thing we do is to cut the silicone tube as well as the RGB LED according to your desired length. Just make sure it does not exceed the silicone tube. Carefully take out the LED strip from its removable IP67 weatherproof casing. We cut the wire in two to prepare the wires we need to be soldered in the LED strip. Then we'll modify the 4-pin RGB connector into a 3-pin RGB connector since we are using an adjustable RGB LED strip. To align the connector using a 3-pin wire, the red wire will be ignored. The black wire is for voltage, the green wire is for data in, and the blue wire will be for ground. Next is to solder these wires to the LED strip. It's better to solder the data in wire first, then the ground and voltage wires. This is to avoid each wires from getting contacts from each other that may cause short circuit. Now we're ready to test the strip using an RGB controller to see if it works. As you can see, the LED strip works. We're ready to insert the strip to the silicone tube. Use the thread that is included in the silicone tube so we can put the LED strip inside it by tying it on the strip so we can pull it through the tube easily. It's time to light up the LED strips using the T1018 and T1315 silicone tubes. Let's see how the effect is going to look like. As you can see now, the effect is more pleasing to the eyes. It diffuses the LEDs to make it look like it's continuous and not too striking to the eyes. Here's a view of the strip inserted completely. Now, we'll seal both ends of the tube to make it waterproof as well as to ensure the LED strip won't come out from it by using the silicone sealant. Dampen your fingers first on a dishwashing liquid soap when touching the sealant to easily wash off the sealant from your fingers and for it to avoid from sticking on your fingers. Just apply enough amount of the sealant on both ends of the tube. Then use your fingers to clean off the excess and flatten the edges. Let it dry for 24 hours.
24 hours later.
Okay guys, it's been 24 hours. Here's the finished product. It's now ready to be installed. By the way, when using a 4-pin header connector to an adjustable RGB, do not forget to block the pin header that we have ignored. It's the 3rd pin from the voltage wire. This is to circumvent from plugging in the 5V RGB to a 12V pin headers. You can just use a drop of super glue on the hole and let it dry to permanently block it. Alright, come and join me to take one more look at how the LED strips display its lights. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.